Hey guys, welcome back to the shop and welcome back to the videos. Today we're back here working on the micro. Pretty sure today the plan is going to be to take off the carbs, try to give them a little bit of a cleaning, and then we're also going to try to make our chain guard here, because it has to go from our sprocket up front to about halfway in the real axle here. So we're going to try to get those two things done today, I guess. Try to clean out the system a little bit more and just keep working away, figuring out what all we can get done on this. So let's get into it. Just like that, we have a chain guard. Big old thick piece of aluminum. Basically what we need is really all it is. Like the rules just say a thick piece of aluminum that runs from, or 0.909 inch piece of aluminum that runs from the front sprocket to the rear. And looks like we pretty much got it.
We'll make it a little prettier.
Yeah, we'll make it a little prettier. We'll bend it up so it's not touching our tire at all.
Give it a little more rigidity.
But that's basically the chain guard. We'll just clean it up and make it better. More better, much more better. Alright, so plan right now is he's gonna finish working on this, bend it down, cut this little slot out so it'll be up to where the like sprocket cover is. And while he's doing that, I'm gonna try to knock off these carbs and see if I can get them off and get them a little bit cleaned. Pulling these clamps off to hopefully get it up off of like our intake, and then they should just pop off. So coming along with the chain guard here, we actually got it on and mocked up a bit. Got a holder there. Goes up so we're not cutting our tire down, but we are hitting against the body now, which we'll have to figure out, but it is going good. We're figuring it out. Can't get the carbs off though, so I think I'm just gonna try to clean them where they sit. All right, chain guard is done. Well, for the most part. We got it running all the way up here. We have our sprocket cover all the way back where it's supposed to be, over halfway across the axle, which is where it needs to be. I sprayed the carbs a little bit, cleaned them up, cleaned up the box. Gonna put it all back together now, maybe. At least start putting the box back on, and then, yeah, that'll probably do it for this one. Alright, as you guys saw, I got this bottom part of the airbox back on. Not going to put the filter or the top on right now because it's still soaking in the water, cleaning it up because it was all dirty. I can take a look at that real quick. But it does actually look fine. Doesn't look like I'm going to need to get one ASAP or anything like that. You know, because I mean, we are doing this on a budget, you know, just kind of want to go out and have some fun basically. But chain guard completely finished on the car. The liking the way it looks. This up here all cleaned off, got the dirt out of there. So hopefully those carbs will be all right now. And yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Short little video, I know, but we're just trying to work away as much as we can. But yeah, keep an eye out. More videos coming. See you guys.